Did you know at least 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans every year? Knowing this fact should inspire us to want to do better and to reduce the amount of plastic that we use in our everyday lives. Today, 2 of our Rustic program leaders are going to show us how they minimize their use of plastic by making their own toothpaste. Let's see how they do it.
Guys, it's Cody and Annie here. How's it going?
What's up, guys? Not using single-use plastics.
So we're gonna do something right now to find some plastic alternatives. You ready? Let's get to it. So if you can't tell, we're making toothpaste. Make sure you get a reusable container, ideally glass, because we're trying to avoid using plastic.
Cool. So first we're taking our baking soda and we're filling it up.
You need 1/3 cup of baking soda. Make sure you get rid of those chunks.
So you need a microwave safe container here, and you got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It gets kind of tough to get in, so oh, there we go.
We're gonna heat that baby up. So we have our melted oil and our baking soda, and we're gonna kind of go back and forth and add some to make it mix easier. It's a good idea to get like a spoon or something to make sure you're mixing it as you go. So it's a little liquidy right now. We like it a little thicker, so we're gonna add a little bit more baking soda. You just can make it the consistency that you wish. So this is the consistency that we like it. It'll kind of harden as it sits in room temperature too. So yeah. Now we're gonna add some peppermint. If you like your toothpaste a different flavor, go ahead and add a different flavor.
So from our trial and error, we like it a little more pepperminty, so we get peppermint extract and we do another 10 drops of that.
Some people don't mind the taste of the baking soda. We don't love it. So we try to make it extra pepperminty, and we feel that the peppermint extract as opposed to the peppermint oil, essential oil, just gives it that like extra peppermint smell and taste. So we use both.
And we pair it with our bamboo toothbrushes.
100% certified organic bamboo.
You can actually plant these after you're done.
Make sure you're getting ones that aren't nylon bristles. You want to find them that are also organic bristles.
So this brand, it's just called Brush with Bamboo.
All right, happy brushing, guys. Let us know if you make your own toothpaste as well, and what you think. All right, way to go save the ocean. No more single-use plastic and store-bought toothpaste. Thanks, guys.